In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote the CPA offers through Instagram. It is the social media platform where we get lots of engagement. So let's dive into it. We have our website ready to promote. Now we are going to promote the link through the social media platforms. Instagram is one of the most reliable platform for those who wants to get started into the CPA marketing. So first of all, you need to have the Instagram account. You can simply sign up Instagram account through desktop and mobile. You can simply create your Instagram account from your device, either from the mobile or from the desktop or laptop. So you simply have to sign up here and fill up your detail and you're good to go. So let's log in one of the Instagram account here since it's been already logged in. So what you need to do here is based upon your needs, since it is a gaming niche, it's a coin master, it's a mobile game, so you can create your needs based Instagram profile and put your link and promote through it. Initially you don't have any of the post and your link here. You simply have to put your profile picture and your little bit of description and your landing page link here, and the related post goes here. Okay, first of all, let me show you the profile setup. You simply go to this profile and it is the appearance of your profile, and you simply have to click on the edit profile and you can put your name here, your related username on your niche based topic, and you can keep your landing page links here. It might be only one link here, and you can keep your bio description here. If you don't know to write the bio, you can just spy on your competitors. Suppose your niche is make money online or cash app, you can simply search here. You get several of the niche related profiles here. Since this is not so fancy, you can simply find your related niche ideas and the description here. Type any of the name on your niche based topic and you get the idea here. Do not simply copy and paste from here, but you can get the reference from these competitors and you simply put here, and you can keep the emojis from you can get the emojis from this site, get emojis, or there are several others. You can simply copy it and paste it, and there must be your number. If you would like to keep your gender, you can keep it here and click on submit. Then your profile ready to go. So let's see the profile looks like. Now the profile might look like this, and the profile part is done. Now it comes to the image part and the post, which we can create from one of the favorite tool, Canva. Okay, Canva here. You can simply create a design and you just choose the Instagram post. It gives the dimension of the Instagram post. You can design it from here. You can get the reference of the design from here, and you simply have to design it as accordingly. Yeah, and then if you would like to get some external image, you can upload from here, or you can simply drag it, or you can copy and paste here. After the image done, you can simply click on download and it suggests the format. So PNG is okay, or JPG or JPEG, and you download it and it gets downloaded, and you can simply put it on your Instagram profile. For example purpose, I am going to create one of the simple image for Coin Master. So let's, if you know the graphic and you can cartoon it, or you can create a new cartoon or animation, you can do, or else you can take reference from Google or Bing. Get any of the image from here and just simply edit it. So you can simply save it and you can drag it to the Canva, or you can simply copy image and you can simply paste it on here. Okay, so since my old background is disturbing, so let's just paste it here, and let's not take more time here, so let me finish it. Let's go to the Instagram and let's again go to the profile section, or it is not mandatory to go to profile section. So I'm going to upload the same image that I have recently created, and you can simply upload this one. Okay, and it asks for the filter option here, so, or you can just keep it as original and click on next. The main thing comes here. You simply have to put your detail, you simply have to put your description and with the hashtag. Okay, so you can simply search popular hashtags or a hashtag generator. You can do any of these. So let me just confirm. So base hashtags, it shows only the popular hashtag. You can use this as well. Instead I am going to use hashtags generator and get the hashtag from here. So it's a free, no, Coin Master free spins. So let the hashtags get generated. Okay, these are the hashtags. So you can choose, I think I have to select this in a way. You don't need to put all of this, but for the reference purpose you can, let's copy it, and let's say on the little bit of description, get free Coin Masters in your game, and just paste the copied hashtag. And if you would like to go to the more advanced section, you can go, or else it's okay and you can share it. So it's been shared. Okay, let me just refresh it once again. Yeah, here is our recent post on Instagram. In a way, since this is the Coin Master needs based gaming profile, you can do on your own. If you have the money based profile, you can go with that, or if you have a health topic, you can create the post accordingly. So you can post up to 5 or 10 in a day. You should have to repeat the same process till a month, then you definitely going to get some results. Or there is one more trick, like you can simply follow the related needs followers. Suppose it's my coin master, let's see, yeah, this one is my competitor, and I can see there is only there is 6,188 followers. You can simply follow them and they are going to follow you back. At the initial phase you don't have to follow many people, later you can do. So yeah, on the upcoming video or on the next tutorial I'll also give you the tool which follows and unfollows automatically, and you can grow your profile so rapidly. It is the process. You can do it on the daily basis. You can do it with your mobile or from your desktop or laptop. If you follow the same step for a month or for a week, you're definitely going to see some results with it. You can check your content logging or any CPA network site where you get results. Okay, this is the process working with the Instagram. It is a free promotional method, or you can go with the paid method on the Instagram as well. We will cover this part on the upcoming advanced tutorial. Yeah, okay, it's all for today. See you on the next video.